everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited because I'm finally showing you guys my haul that I recently got. I got makeup, fragrance, all this fun stuff, and I've been dying to just put my stuff away, put it at my vanity, and I have to wait. I have my stuff all sitting here waiting to film. So I normally buy my beauty stuff and I keep it right here where I film, and then I don't bring it to my beauty room until after I've shown you guys. Sometimes I may come over here and just play with some stuff, but I make sure that I don't put it into my beauty room because then I get it mixed up with my other stuff and I'm like, wait, is this new? Is it not? So I'm excited to show you guys what I bought. I bought stuff that I necessarily didn't need, but I wanted. But I mean, it was a holiday season. You gotta treat yourself. Life is short. So I definitely treated myself and then some. I work hard, so I just believe in if you work hard, treat yourself sometimes. So that's exactly what I did. And like I said in past videos, these aren't bragging videos. It's just me showing you guys my haul. I know I love watching haul videos on what other people get and you know, getting ideas of things that I can buy. So I hope I can do those same things for you guys. And if you guys want to know what I got in my haul, then keep on watching. Did two hauls. I have a Sephora haul, but by me, they have something called the Cosmetic Company store, and I actually bought two things from that store. And they have outlets. There's outlets all over. What's the name of the outlet though? I forgot what it's called. But they always have the cosmetic makeup store, and it's I guess stuff that's just on sale. They always have name brand stuff. So I went in there being nosy. I didn't need anything, but I picked up just two things. They're actually from Too Faced. And I actually use these products because I had this stuff for at least over 2 weeks now. So I had to try my stuff out. I'm not even gonna lie, but they are new babies to my collection. So I'm gonna open them both up so you can see. This one here, it says it's a Born This Way Turn Up the Light Complexion Enhancing Highlighting Palette. I thought the colors were really cool on this, but when I tried it, it's not that pigmented, unfortunately. But I'm still gonna keep it. This is what the palette looks like. It looks beautiful, which is why I bought it. But maybe I'm not wearing it right. I only tried it once, so I have to try it again. That was the first thing I bought, and then I bought this here. It says Pore Blurring and Mattifying Face Powder. I only tried it once, so I'm not sure if it worked. But I'm going to definitely try it again now that I'm doing this video. It's just a regular white powder. It's supposed to be translucent. It's just to mattify wherever you're matte, or wherever you're oily at, your nose, your forehead. And then it has a little cute little sponge on the bottom. Guys, look how cute this sponge is. I think this, not the sponge or whatever you want to call this. It's not, oops. It's not really a sponge, but a powder puff. Very cute. Alrighty, now to the fun stuff. So, I want to say in December, I bought a lot of stuff. And particularly fragrances. In December haul, if you look back and look at my December hauls, I bought a lot of fragrances. And I had no business buying fragrances this time around when I did this haul, but if you guys follow Sephora, you know Sephora was having 20% off all of their fragrances. And I've never seen, times must be really rough because for Sephora to give 20% off all their fragrances, I was like, wow. They are trying to get some sales in there, and I was like, I'm definitely gonna take advantage. So I bought not only one, not two, not three, not four, Well, actually, yes, 4. I bought 4 fragrances. Actually, yes, I bought 4 fragrances. I would say I'm disappointed in myself because, like, I'm gonna really have to be like to finish all of these. I already have an extensive collection as it is, but I couldn't decide, so I bought a 4. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. But these were the 3 fragrances that I recently bought in my previous haul for December. I love the Valentino fragrances. Oh, the cap just fell off. I showed you guys this in my Macy's beauty box, I want to say. No, it was my glossy box. They gave us like a deluxe of this. So, but how cute, guys. This is, I didn't get 2 big bottles because I literally bought all 3 of these all at the same time, and I felt bad buying all 3. So I was like, well, if I get a small one, and I guess it ain't too bad, but I wish I would have bought the big one of this because it smells amazing. But I bought the Valentino and the Valentino, and I bought a Nest fragrance. It's called Wild Poppy. I didn't even know Nest made fragrances. I have like their candles, their diffusers, which smell amazing. They have hand wash soap that smells very well, good too. But this smells amazing. If you like a nice fruity scent, oh, it smells so good. And the Valentino scents are very grown and sexy. They're giving you sophisticated, elegant date night vibes with these over here. But let's get into the 4 new ones that I bought. So these are all fragrances that I wanted to buy, and I really couldn't decide because I liked them all. So when you can't decide, get them all. So the first one is the K.Ali, the Juicy Apple fragrance. So I always want to try the K.Ali fragrances, but a lot of them are vanilla based, and I don't like the smell of vanilla at all. The smell of vanilla makes me like gag. I don't like the vanilla. Even though I like really sweet scenting fragrances, I don't like the smell of vanilla. I don't. So I haven't really bought any of her fragrances, but when I saw that this one was the smell of an apple, I was like, I love apple scents. I've had the DKNY, the green apple one, which smells nice. It smells just like an apple. So I was like, I gotta try this out. I opened it and tried it already because I wanted to make sure that I truly loved it before the sale was done, because I could have got a different fragrance, but I loved it. So it says that this is scents of juicy red apple, wild berries, jasmine, leash, vanilla flower, and sensual musk. But I don't smell any vanilla in this, because if I smell any scent of vanilla, I would have never bought it. But guys, how stinking cute is this bottle, guys? How stinking cute. Oh, and it smells so good, guys. I'm loving this bottle, loving this scent. So that's the first scent that I got with my 20% off. And then I couldn't decide. So just like I like the 2 new Valentino scents, I couldn't decide on the 2 Yves Saint Laurent scents. So I bought both of them. So this is the 50 ml and the 50 ml. I didn't get the 100 ml in these because like I said, I bought 4 fragrances all at once, and I couldn't decide between the 2. I still like the 2. But this one, so they have like 3 different types of bottles for the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. But I like the one that says Couture. It'll say like Couture on the bottom. See right there? That's the one that smells the best to me. So look how cute the bottle is, guys. She is cute. She is giving you grown, sexy vibes. When you wear this, oh, it smells so good. I get so much compliments. All of these fragrances that I buy are very like fruity, citrusy type of scents. So I bought this one, and then I love the Yves Saint Laurent Libre scent. Like, it smells so good. This one is very grown and sexy. This is a classy, you fill in the words. She classy. She very, very classy. She's giving you bougie. She's giving you I'm here. She's giving you Barbie girl. Like, smell these scents. Smell this one. Smell this one. Oh my, they smell so delicious. They were on the money. This one is elegant, classy, but it's a little fruity, but this is like grown and sexy. I can't even explain. I'm not good at explaining scents. Oh, but it smells so good. I'm super excited for these fragrances. And then the last one I bought was Gucci Flora. And first of all, I love pink. I love the bottle. The Gucci Flora has a lot of floral scent fragrances. They have like a yellow bottle, a red bottle, a green bottle. But this one, let me tell you. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious. I got this in a full size. This is the 100 ml bottle. It says it has white gardenia in it, jasmine, and pear blossom. This is what the bottle looks like. It tells you what's on the back. I always love the smell of flowers. Like, I love the smell of flowers. This smells like a bouquet of flowers. Like, literally. But it has... This scent is different from any other scent that I've ever owned because it does have like a little bit of a musk scent to it. And I don't like musky scents because it reminds me of like in my early career working in the beauty industry. I worked for Chanel Cosmetics, and for gratis for like Christmas time they would always give us like Chanel No. 5, Coco Mademoiselle, like all of those musky scents or strong musky scents, and it's giving you a little bit of that musky Chanel No. 5. Like this smells a little bit more like the Coco, not the Coco Mademoiselle, the Coco. The Coco Mademoiselle is more like young wearing. The Coco is like more like mature, like adult. Like I'm an adult, but you know what I mean. But I mean, it's different. It's giving you floral, but floral musky. But I'm here for it. I'm absolutely here for it. I think it's like more of a warm scent for winter. And all of my scents normally are very citrusy, very fruity. And I felt like this was a little different from what I normally wear. So I have, in 1 month, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fragrances. Oh my gosh. But that's why you guys see that I have such a big fragrance collection, because there's always those goody two-shoes people who goes,
well, you shouldn't have all of those fragrances. The lifespan, is going to expire. Like, this stuff is going to expire. Like, those are probably old stuff.
And it's like, no, this is all stuff that I bought within this year. Like, I just happen to buy a lot of stuff. Like, I have, like, a problem. My name isn't on YouTube, Aisha Loves Makeup, because... I love it, but I don't buy it. Like, I buy makeup, I buy skincare, I buy fragrances. I just love it. I love trying new stuff. I do give a lot of stuff away to like friends, but like, I just love it. So I'm very happy, and I can't wait to wear all my stuff now, because I only, open the boxes just to smell them all again, just to make sure if I really truly love them. But your girl loves everything, so we keeping everything. Yay! I would lift them all up at once and show you guys, but it will be my luck that I drop it. So, yes, that was my fragrances. Now, makeup, I didn't go too crazy with makeup. These 2 things were on sale. I want to say they were like 20% off. In front of the Sephora, they had like the sale table. And honestly, like, I always buy all of the Too Faced palettes. Every year, I think last year was like the Gingerbread Man, and like every year they have a theme for their palette for winter time, and every year I'm a sucker and I buy it. So this year it's Cinnamon Swirl. I told myself that I'm gonna break that history of me every single winter. I buy the Too Faced holiday palette because I just have so much makeup, so much everything. So I'm like, I don't need it, but it was 20% off, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get it because it's on sale. Do you guys ever do that? Like, you don't even want the product, but it's like on sale, so it's like, it looks more appealing to you then? Well, that's what happened to me. And I figured the palette was it's a cute palette. It's colors that I do wear, so I will get use out of it, but I don't need any more palettes. I don't need any more anything. Keep me away from Sephora and Ulta. But this is what the palette looks like, and of course, Too Faced is famous for their stuff smelling like scents. So, it smells very spicy. It says Cinnamon Swirl. has a spicy scent to it. Not like cinnamon swirl though, but it's okay, it's durable. And this is the palette here, very beautiful, very, very beautiful. I love the palette. And then I didn't know about Violet Voss until BoxyCharm. They normally give a lot of Violet Voss palettes. So this was on sale, so I had to buy it. It's the I Love You Cherry Much palette. And I saw this in Sephora and I was like, I don't need it because I have enough palettes, but it was on sale. So I was like, well, it ain't that bad. I guess I could get it since it was on sale. I want to say it was 20% off, I want to say. I don't remember because, like I said, I bought this stuff. I think this was like 2 weeks ago because I bought some stuff last week for the 20% off sale for fragrances, and then the following week I bought the stuff that was 20% off as well. This is what she looks like. Isn't she beautiful? I used this palette once. The pigmentation was okay. It was okay. It's not bad, but it's not great. It was okay. I liked it. I like the colors. So I'll definitely wear this palette. But like, guys, I gotta stop. 2022. I'm not even gonna say. I was gonna say New Year's resolution not to buy so much makeup, but that would be a lie. That would be a lie because I enjoy trying new stuff. I really do enjoy it, and I'm so happy that like I get to show you all of this stuff, you know, on my channel and give suggestions on what's good or not. So I'm very happy to now like I get to share it with somebody and talk about all beauty products of people who love makeup just as much as I do. So that is everything for my haul. What did you guys think about my haul? Did you guys take advantage of that 20% off sale? Like, I know I did, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys bought anything with that 20% off sale for fragrances. Or what did you guys get for the 20% off sale when they had for just all the makeup? Let me know. I'm nosy. Let me know in the comments down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Show me some love. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.